Axial load, FCK and Fy, sir.
Okay. So here what you have to calculate, as you can see here, this is a RC rectangular column, right? So what you have to calculate? So what is the meaning of design?
We have to first write the figure, sir.
Okay. To write a figure, you should know the area, right? Area of the column.
Yes, sir.
But here area is not given. Correct? In the question, area is not given. So what you have to do? You have to calculate the area. Okay, how you are going to calculate area? You know the load. Okay, by using the load, you have to calculate the area. Okay, so yeah, it is axial load. So this one you have to convert to the factored axial load. Okay, and here you have to assume that 2% of steel to be provided in the column. As per the coded provision, you have to provide 2% of the steel for the column area. Okay, we're getting ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ hello
Yes, sir.
So here design means you have to calculate the area of steel as well as the spacing. Okay, as well also the reinforcement. Okay, how much reinforcement to be provided in the column. So that is known as the design. Okay, design means what you will calculate the area, steel, and if it is a column, you are going to calculate the stirrup spacing or tie spacing. Okay, is it clear? So hello, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನ
Yes,
ಕಷ್ಟ
sir.
ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಕಲಿಬೇಡಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಕಲಿತ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ right. Okay, take down axial load 800 kilonewton, factored axial load you're going to multiply with 1.5. Why you are multiplying with 1.5? You're designing as per limit state method. Okay, finished.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next what you have to calculate now? Area, correct. So here AC you have to assume 2%, right? 2% of the area, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So if AC is 2% of the area, what about AC? Area of concrete. So here we assume that the 2% of steel area, right? That is AC is equal to 2% A area. Whereas area of concrete,
A minus AST.
A minus 2% into A, sir.
So how much you'll get?
Point 98.
0.98, right? So take
Sir,
down.
0.98.
Right. So take down AC is equal to, that is area of steel is equal to 2% A, that is 0.02 A. So area of concrete is equal to 0.98 A. Okay. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So you have load formula as per page number 71, IS 456-2000. So what is the formula? Ultimate load formula? PU.
0.4 FCK AC
0.4 FCK AC
plus 0.67 FYAC.
plus 0.67 FYAC, right? So you have all the values now. Can you substitute and calculate the area? You have FCK value M20 and FI is 415, right? So you have PU is equal to, as you said, that is 0.4 FCKAC plus 0.67 FIAC. So substitute these values, okay, in PU. PU is known, okay, that is 1200. So how much you are getting area? So is there any doubt?
Sir, 89.54. Sir,
ಹೇಳಿ.
89.54.
Into 10 power 3.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So the area is 89545.55 mm square. Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
It's a clear. Okay. Next, take down. Assuming square column. Assuming square column. Assuming square column. And one more thing. So in the question, please this question is wrong here in the content. Design an RC square column. Okay, not rectangular column. It is a square column. If they ask a rectangular column, you have to assume B. Okay, B has minimum 200. You have to assume. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So take down, check whether you are getting 300 mm. Are you getting 300? Hello?
Yes, sir. 299.6300. Sir.
Okay. Take down, therefore, provide 300 mm into 300 mm size of the column. So now you have got the size of the column. How you are going to calculate the area of the column? I mean area of the steel, sorry. So area of steel, it is 0.02 A, but you don't know the value, right? How you are going to calculate?
Sir, 12% into BD.
12%.
10.
No, see here
10,
AC is already there, no? Right? Area of steel is equal to 2% of A. So how much you got A? A is 300 into 300, right?
90,000 is equal to 0.02 A.
Ah, correct. 90,000 into 0.02, isn't it? So AC is equal to 0.02 into A. You'll get 1800 mm square, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. So here what you have calculated? You have calculated the total area of the column, cross-sectional area of the column. Then you calculated the area of steel, right? So what do you have to calculate after that? You don't know the number of reinforcement, right? How much to be provided in the column, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Take down, assuming 20 mm dia bar, assuming 20 mm dia bar, assuming 20 mm dia bar. So number of bars, how much you will get? Number of bars is equal to 1800 divided by pi d square by 4.
$5.72, sir. 6.
Okay, so you'll get 5.726. Okay, take down. Therefore, provide 6 mm bars at 200 mm. sorry, provide 6 mm bars of 20 mm dia. Provide 6 mm bars of 20 mm dia. So you calculated the reinforcement. Then what you have to calculate in column? So tell me the reinforcement details. What will be there in the column? You'll be having the vertical reinforcement as well as to hold this reinforcement. You are going to provide the stirrups, right? So here you are not considered the stirrup yet, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now take down lateral ties or stirrups. Both are same. Okay. Don't get confused. Lateral ties. So this is as per the codal provision IS 456. So when you are considering the lateral ties, so you have to take the greater of the following. Okay. So one is 6 mm. Okay, minimum 6 mm dia you have to provide. Okay, and the second condition is 1/4 of the main reinforcement, larger dia. Okay, so here 20 mm dia you assume, so it is 1/4 of 20 mm. So among these two, which is greater? 6 mm. Okay, so you have to consider 6 mm. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. So after considering taking the reinforcement, that is a tie stirrup, so the spacing you are not calculated, right? So when you consider a column, so here it is 6 numbers on either side you are going to provide, and then you are going to use the stirrups or ties to tie the reinforcement. Okay, and the spacing between one stirrup to another stirrup you have to calculate now. Is that clear? Next,
Yes, sir.
take down
Yes, sir.
spacing of lateral ties. Spacing of lateral ties is the least of the following. Is the least of the following. In that first one, least lateral dimension. Least lateral dimension. Least lateral dimension. So here least lateral dimension is, sorry, this is not 400, this is 300. You have considered the square column, right? So on either side it is same, correct? 300 by 300. So here it is 300. Okay, least lateral dimension 300 mm. Next, second condition as per the IS code, it is 16 into dia of main bar. So dia of main bar is 20. Okay, so 16 into 20 is 320 mm. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And the third condition is 300 mm. So among these three, you have to take the least. So which is the least?
300.
300 mm. Okay, take down. Therefore, provide 6 mm dia. Therefore, provide 6 mm dia at 300 mm center to center. Okay.
ಸರ್ ಜನರಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಟೈಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಿರಪ್ ಸೈಜ್ 8 mm ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಜನರಲಿ.
ಏನು
ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ 8 mm ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಸರ್, ಬರೀ ಲಿಂಟಲ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ 6 mm ಹಾಕೊಂತಾರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಸ್ಟಿರಪ್.
ಇದು ಕೋಡಲ್ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇರೋದು. ನೀನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ಕೋಡಲ್ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನ್, so minimum is 6 mm. You can go through the code book. ನೀನ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಐ ನೋ. Okay.
Okay.
So anything else?
No, sir.
Is that clear for everyone? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So is there any doubt, Darshan?
No, sir.
Okay. So remaining I will continue in the next class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you.